Are you ready to unlock the secrets of transforming ordinary meals into culinary masterpieces with the power of herbs and seasonings? Cooking with herbs and seasonings for flavor is your gateway to the enchanting world of culinary alchemy, where a sprinkle of herbs and a pinch of seasonings can turn every dish into a taste sensation. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the art of enhancing flavor in your cooking and how it can elevate your culinary creations. 1. The magical world of seasonings. In the opening paragraph, introduce the captivating realm of culinary seasonings, where herbs and spices have the power to create extraordinary flavors. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide will unveil the secrets of culinary wizards. 2. Balancing and complementing flavors. Begin by discussing the fundamental role of herbs and seasonings in balancing and complementing flavors in a dish. Explain how the right combinations can elevate the taste and aroma of your culinary creations. 3. Herbs, nature's flavor enhancers. Delve into the world of herbs as nature's flavor enhancers. Explore the versatility of herbs like basil, rosemary, and cilantro and how they can add freshness and depth to your dishes. 4. The spice of life, a world of spices. Share insights into the vast world of spices, each offering its unique flavor and aroma. Discuss how spices such as cumin, paprika, and cardamom can transport your taste buds around the globe. 5. Creating balanced seasoning mixes. Discuss the art of creating balanced seasoning mixes. Explain how blending various herbs and spices can lead to the creation of signature seasoning blends for different cuisines. 6. Techniques for incorporating flavor. Explore techniques for incorporating herbs and seasonings into your cooking. Describe methods such as infusing, marinating, and dry rubs, which can infuse dishes with flavor. 7. Cultural influences. Highlight the influence of different cultures on the use of herbs and seasonings. Discuss how various cuisines rely on distinct combinations of herbs and spices to create authentic flavors. 8. A lifelong journey of flavor. Conclude with the idea that cooking with herbs and seasonings is not a one-time experiment, it's a lifelong journey of flavor exploration and enhancement. Encourage readers to see their culinary endeavors as a continuous adventure filled with taste sensations. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of cooking with herbs and seasonings for flavor but will also be inspired to experiment with these culinary tools in their own kitchens. Cooking with herbs and seasonings for flavor is a journey into the world of culinary wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to infuse your dishes with sensational flavors. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing the art of seasoning and herb-infused cooking. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.